Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
PILIBHIT, Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, DTR, in Uttar Pradesh hosted a two-day consultation workshop on Saturday on species recovery plan and monitoring protocols with a special focus on fishing cats. The workshop was jointly organized by MoEFCC, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, UNDP, United Nations Development Plan, WWF, Worldwide Fund for Nature, GF, Global Environment Facility, and GTF, Global Tiger Forum. On the first day of the workshop, the participants deliberated upon evolving a landscape-level strategy, involving multiple government departments and local stakeholders. The existing distribution of fishing cats, ongoing studies on their habitats, presence and resilience were also showcased to identify the small wild cat conservation units. The project aims to utilize the best practices and experiences gained from the tiger programs for conserving the mesopredators like small cats and their microhabitats within larger tiger units like the Dudhwa landscape, said B. Prabhakar, Field Director of DTR. Prabhakar added that, since the small wild cats were not confined only to the protected forest areas, but also had their presence in buffer forest zones, wild corridors and in the agricultural fields adjoining the forest peripheries, the project would also focus on the improved and diversified level. GTF's head for program and partnerships, Monish Kapoor, said, of the 41 wild cat species globally, 15 are found in India, of which 11 are small and medium-sized cats, referred to as small wild cats. The project includes Pakiglanis landscape in Arunachal Pradesh, Dudhwa landscape in Up and Ranthambore landscape in Rajasthan. Kapoor added, exploring ways to remove habitat encroachments, mitigating human-wildlife conflict and effectively curbing poaching and illegal trade in priority land. As these are the indicator species providing crucial economic and ecosystem services such as pest and disease control, their conservation is essential for the integrity of big cat conservation efforts across the country, Monish said. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.